Switzerland, known for its picturesque landscapes and high quality of life, is a landlocked country in Central Europe. It is famous for its Swiss Alps, ski resorts, and luxury watches. The country is also known for its political neutrality, banking sector, and chocolate. Its capital is Bern, and the official languages are German, French, Italian, and Romansh. A Switzerland visit visa, also known as a Switzerland Schengen visa, is a permit that allows non-EU EEA citizens to enter Switzerland for short stays of up to 90 days within a 180-day period for tourism, business, family visits, or other purposes. It is part of the Schengen visa system, which allows travel between 26 European countries without internal border controls. To apply for a Switzerland visit visa, follow these steps. Determine the type of visa you need, depending on your purpose of visit: tourism, business, family visit, etc. Choose the appropriate visa category, complete the application form. Download the Schengen visa application form from the Swiss Embassy or Consulate website and fill it out accurately. Gather required documents. This typically includes a valid passport, passport-sized photos, travel itinerary, accommodation details, travel insurance, proof of financial means, and other specific documents based on your purpose of visit. Make an appointment. Schedule an appointment at the Swiss Embassy or Consulate in your country. Attend the visa interview. On the scheduled date, attend the visa interview with all your documents. Be prepared to answer questions about your travel plans and intentions. Pay the visa fee. Pay the visa application fee, which is usually non-refundable, regardless of whether your visa is approved or not. Wait for a decision. After the interview, your application will be processed. It can take up to 15 calendar days, but in some cases, it may take longer. Receive your visa. If your visa is approved, you will receive your passport with the visa sticker affixed to it. The visa will specify the dates you are allowed to enter and stay in Switzerland. Travel to Switzerland. Enter Switzerland on or after the visa's start date and make sure to leave before the visa expires. Remember, the exact requirements and procedures may vary slightly depending on the Swiss Embassy or Consulate where you apply. It's advisable to check the specific requirements on their website before applying. The requirements for a Switzerland visit visa typically include completed visa application form. Fill out the Schengen visa application form accurately. Valid passport. Your passport must be valid for at least 3 months beyond your intended stay in Switzerland. Passport-sized photos. Provide recent passport-sized photos that meet the Schengen visa photo requirements. Travel itinerary. Provide a detailed itinerary of your travel plans, including flight reservations, accommodation bookings, and planned activities. Travel insurance. Obtain travel insurance that covers medical expenses and repatriation for the entire duration of your stay in Switzerland, with a minimum coverage of €30,000. Proof of financial means. Show proof that you have sufficient funds to cover your expenses during your stay in Switzerland. This could include bank statements, sponsorship letters, or a combination of both. Letter of employment. If employed, provide a letter from your employer stating your position, salary, and approved leave of absence. Letter of invitation. If visiting friends or family in Switzerland, provide a letter of invitation from your host, including their contact information and details of your stay. Proof of accommodation. Provide confirmation of hotel reservations or a letter of invitation if staying with friends or family. Return flight reservation. Provide a reservation for a return flight to your home country or onward travel. Visa fee. Pay the non-refundable visa application fee. Additional documents. Depending on your specific circumstances and the purpose of your visit, you may be required to provide additional documents. It's advisable to check the specific requirements of the Swiss Embassy or Consulate where you are applying. The Switzerland tourist visa, similar to other Schengen visas, allows stays of up to 90 days within a 6-month period. With a multiple entry tourist Schengen visa for Switzerland, you can enter and exit the Schengen area multiple times within 6 months, as long as your total stay does not exceed 90 days. You are not required to spend all your valid days in Switzerland. The Swiss Schengen visa permits travel to all Schengen countries.
Before we proceed further in this video, I kindly request just 1 minute of your time to introduce our books currently available for purchase on Amazon.com. We currently have 2 books on sale. The first book is titled Discover Abroad: Navigating Travel, Immigration, Study, and Employment Opportunities Abroad. Our second book is titled 450 Business Analyst Interview Questions and Answers: Ace Your Interview. These books are designed to help you expand your horizons, embrace new experiences, and unlock a world of possibilities. Additionally, the interview book can assist you in standing out from the competition and landing your dream job abroad. Simply click on the link provided in the description box of this video to order yours now.